welcome to my channel. My name's Nicole and here on We Mama I like to do lots of motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning and organisational videos. So if you like that kind of content, I would love it if you could stick around and maybe consider subscribing. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a Home Bargains haul. I live across the road from a Home Bargains, so I'm always in there spending lots of money when I shouldn't be. But today I actually really did need quite a few cleaning products. I did a big speed clean with me the other day and just realised that I was pretty low on quite a few odds and ends, and there was just a few things in there that I needed to pick up. So without further ado, here we go, straight in with it. So first up, is it sad that I'm really excited to try this? This is called Bin Buddy. I think it's really cute because it's shaped like a wheelie bin. I've not seen this before. Ooh, that smells like, it's in the citrus and citronella scent. It smells like those green starbursts. Yeah, so bin powder, that's what it is. It basically just eliminates smells, soaks up the liquids and repels flies and insects. And also I've just picked up some bin bags. This was, I think, a little bit pricey, so I hope it's good. It was £2.89. I think that's a lot for a bin powder. So I'm really hoping that this works. I've also picked up 2 of these Fabulosa foam freshener. So this is basically like 1001 the carpet spray. You can put it onto your fabrics, onto your fabrics and furnishings, soft furnishings, things like that. And you don't need like the hoover to vacuum it up afterwards. My little boy loves it when I spray this because it's like snow. I've picked up one called Unicorn Dust. I've just realised what it smells like, and it smells like Parma Violets. Yeah, okay, I'm excited to use that. And the other one is called Gold Touch. And this one smells a bit like, I think, like furniture polish. So I'm excited to use that as well. Oh my god, I'm gonna knock myself out with these. But yeah, these are really good. I think that the scents on these last longer. Oh my god, okay, I'm done with it, I'm done. Next up are a lot of things that I use for my toilet. I'm really quite particular about what I use for my toilet. I don't know why, I just like the scents. My favourite bleach, this is Harpic Pine. I found it through Mrs. Hinch. And yeah, I absolutely love the scent of this. I always feel like my bathroom is clean when I use this, and it's also only £1. So yeah, I love this stuff. I also really rate these Astonish toilet bowl tabs. They're like toilet bombs. You just chuck them in the bottom of your toilet and I feel like they just foam, fizz away. When you come back, they just give your toilet bowl like a really good deep clean. So I always pick a pack of those up. Pick up a pack. That's so hard to say. Oh my god, I buy these whenever I'm in Home Bargains. Oh no! Okay, these are the Duck toilet strips. If you can see, they're like a little gel, and you put them onto the side of the inside of your toilet bowl. I thought that these were fresh pine scent that I always buy because they're in the green packaging and they're not, they're lime. Oh no. I love the pine scented ones because they smell exactly like the bleach and they really last. Like every time you flush the toilet or I go into the bathroom, I can just smell fresh pine, and it's usually due to these. So now I'm gonna have a lime and pine toilet, so that's gonna smell interesting. Also, to go with the bathroom, I like to use this Flash Bathroom, again from Mrs. Hinch. I love this stuff. I feel like I just scrub the whole bathroom down with this, and it's because it's got the Febreze fresh scent with it. It just smells great, and I just feel like my bathroom is clean when I use this. Another thing that I use in the bathroom is Sif. I always use this to just clean the bath and the shower screen with, because them little like particles inside it just really like scrub down your bath. This one is in Pink Flower. I don't think I've used this before, but I'm gonna give it a try. Does anybody remember when this was called Jif? Or am I just showing my age? Okay. So for the kitchen, I've bought a kitchen cleaner. This is from Astonish, and it's just a lemon cleaner for the countertops. I'm going to give that one a try. I've just picked up some washing up liquid. I have got a pump, so I pour this into the pump, so I'm really not bothered about the colour or the brand, as long as I can wash my dishes with it. I just go for whatever, and this is literally like 40p. Okay, this is my most favourite thing to use for washing my clothes. This is the Lenore fabric softener, fabric conditioner, and it is in the blue bottle called Dazzle. Mesmerised by that and the light. Okay, it smells amazing. I absolutely love this stuff. It's a bit pricey at around $2.99. I usually, before, I just used to pick up the cheapest thing that was on the shelf. I didn't really think it made a difference until I used this. This stuff, oh, when I put it on, like, I've got a heated drying rack, like, right by me, and when I put this on my drying rack, it smells, the whole house just smells amazing. And I like that it lasts as well. I pick it up whenever I go into Home Bargains. Another go-to product for me is this Dr. Beckman's Carpet Stain Remover. I really rate this. I have always got a bottle of this to hand, especially with a toddler. Underneath the high chair we have a mat, but still if he throws like a piece of pasta with like tomato sauce on it, like tomato pasta sauce on it, and flings it across the room, I always like deep down I'm like, oh my god, the cream carpet. This just brings it up. It's so good. Not very exciting. I've just bought a tube of toothpaste. I've never tried this one before. It's called a Detox Mint by Colgate. Really random, but I've just bought a spray bottle. And my little boy also likes to follow me around the house and clean, and obviously he can't use the spray bottles that I use, so I thought if I just put a bit of water in that and give him a rag, he can help me around the house with it. So I'm gonna make him clean. Speaking of my little boy, I have also picked him up some bath bombs. They were £1 each. Oh, that smells really good. That's a mango one and also a strawberry one. Yeah, these are £1 each, and at bath time I was just trying to make bath time a bit more entertaining and giving him a bath bomb. These will be fun in the bath tonight. Some more bits for my little boy. I've also picked up these. They are the Crayola crayons, but they're the twisty ones. My little boy loves to draw, so I just thought these might be a good idea. He might like that they, you know, I also, bonus, I don't need to sharpen them. He might like that you can twist them. And I've also bought him a pencil case as well to keep them all in, because we've bought him so many crayons and gel pens, things like that, and they just go everywhere. So yeah, I've bought those for him. And I've also bought him a toilet seat. Yeah, it's hideous. He is only 20 months, I want to say now. Yeah, he's 20 months, so he's just over a year and a half old. We are going to start just introducing him to the toilet. He has actually started telling us at the moment when he does a poo in his nappy. He comes running up to us saying poo poo. So I'm just taking that as a sign. So I thought I would buy this for the downstairs toilet, and it's Spider-Man. And last but not least, I am so excited that I've just remembered that I've bought these. These little coconut bites are by a brand called Ape, and they're completely vegan, plant-based, big taste it says, and they are called Simply Coconut Bites, light and crunchy. And I was just intrigued. I think I was looking for snacks for my little boy. I bought them for him and I ate all of them because they just tasted so good. So that's what they look like. They're like little discs, and oh my god, they're so tasty. So guys, that's it. That's everything from my Home Bargains haul. I hope you liked it. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. I would love it if you can comment below and tell me your favourite products that you get from Home Bargains. Let me know of any of your favourite products, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!